Here we have a potential breakdown setup for RYI Ryerson Holding Corporation. We've got this primary trend line here off the COVID crash lows with plenty and continuous reactionary lows to help validate that. Here the monthly interval, each candle representing a month with a dark cloud cover continuation, bearish continuation pattern. Looks like we had that breakdown, came back down to this primary trend line for a 24% crash. Looks like we had a counter trend short squeeze rally, and usually a bearish continuation pattern of this nature will usually, not always, but usually have a magnetized effect of bringing it back down for a larger drop. We'll take this away here. We'll zoom in here on the weekly interval, each candle representing a week now. We're completely zoomed in. We got this 50 weekly moving average hugging this primary trend line off the COVID crash lows, and effectively we put in a beautiful 3 black crow pattern here. That is a higher probability of a continuation pattern. So we got 2 of the longer term intervals starting to break down. We do have negative and bearish divergences on a arching crossover here on the MACD and oscillator as well, gunning for the 0 lines. So again, huge breakdown, I believe below 25.14 on a daily and or weekly solid close puts in a sell signal in my opinion, with a huge gap in between this volume at price indicator, with plenty of the masses who bought up in this $25 to $22 range. And we'll zoom in here on the daily now. We have a divergent high, negative and bearish divergences already confirmed and continued to develop here on all 3 indicators. Crackdown already down below their 0 lines. With again huge volume at price indicator here with huge gaps down below. So we'll see if anything pans out. Who knows? Anything's possible. Anything's possible. Maybe dip buy or step in here and backfill the gap. That's a 20% drop. This is where you want to buy. Set some stops a little bit below that 25.14 price support, and try to make for a run for it off of some risk reward ratio trade setups. And you never know. Maybe this burns out. We end up burning out the negative divergences, and nothing even happens. But to me, in my opinion, the evidence continues to mount. There's blood in the garage. There's blood in the living room. There's blood in the kitchen. Is that the guy? So this is it. Technical analysis is the study of mass psychology. So we'll see. We'll be patiently waiting for a breakdown below and see if we get it. Hit that like and subscribe button.